As you probably know, there are thousands of weight loss books on the market today, and I just added one more, which is my latest book, Fat No More: How to Lose Weight So It Stays Off for Life. I know what many people might be thinking. If all the thousands of weight loss books on the market already have not made any difference, what difference one more weight loss book could make? Well, that's a great question which I'll be answering right now. If the new weight loss book is giving similar advice as all other books, like counting calories, points, measuring your food, or eating certain foods and eliminating other foods, then most likely will not make any difference at all, because pretty much those types of weight loss advice have been proven not to work, especially when it comes to sustainable results. However, if the new weight loss book is bringing to light a completely different way to approach weight loss and health than the current weight loss books, then it could make a huge difference. Well, my book, Fat No More, will show you a completely different way to approach weight loss that is based on how healthy regions around the world are able to maintain their great health effortlessly. Welcome, I'm Stavros Mastrogiannis, the How to Lose Weight for Life expert and the creator of the Live Your Way Thin system, and of course, the author of Fat No More: How to Lose Weight So It Stays Off for Life. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video. It will be a huge help in getting my message out, and I greatly appreciate it. Now, let's get back into talking about getting in shape and the difference one book could make. What if losing weight and keeping it off could be as easy as breathing? Sounds too good to be true? Well, think about it. How do people who live in healthy regions around the world are able to keep the weight off? They don't count calories, points, or measure their food. As a matter of fact, they hardly ever think about their weight or health, and yet they're able to maintain both no problem. And by the way, I didn't just study healthy regions. I was raised in one. I was raised on the Greek island, and when I lived there in the 70s and 80s, thin was the norm. People lived long, healthy lives and did not suffer from all the diseases most older people suffer from in the modern societies. And by the way, cancer was a rare disease, and diseases like Alzheimer's were non-existent. And just like all other healthy regions, we hardly ever thought about our weight or health. So, do you know how we were able to maintain our great health effortlessly? It was very simple. All the healthy behaviors that kept us in shape were habitual behaviors passed down from generation to generation through our traditions. In other words, we did not have to think in order to eat healthy or to do enough activities to maintain our weight and good health. All those things were made automatic through our habitual behaviors. Well, why can't we do the same thing here? And that is exactly what my book is all about. How to put your weight loss on autopilot so you can keep the weight off for life. In my 27 plus years in the weight loss industry, I've identified 7 healthy behaviors that have the biggest impact on people's health and weight. I consider these 7 behaviors essential for a lean and healthy body. And if you look at healthy regions around the world, you will notice that they have these 7 healthy behaviors in common. So, which are these 7 essential behaviors? Well, 3 of them you're probably aware of, which are the habit of being active, like exercising. But remember, exercising is not the only type of activity that can help you stay in shape or lose weight. And the other 2 are the habit of eating a diet high in fruits and vegetables and a diet low in junk food. Notice, I did not say no junk food at all. Many diets and nutritionists recommend to eliminate junk food completely. The fact is, if you follow the 4 essential behaviors, which I will talk about next, you can get away eating some junk food with no negative effects on your weight or health. The last 4 healthy behaviors have to do with how you think and how you eat. Did you know that how you think has huge implications on your health and also on your ability to develop new habitual behaviors? In my book, the first habit that I teach people is how to develop a healthy way of thinking that will support your health and also improve your ability to adopt new habitual behaviors into your life. From the 3 how to eat behaviors, the first one has to do with allowing your body to go for 16 hours or longer without eating. The benefits to your health and weight are tremendous. The second one is learning to identify true hunger and eating only when truly hungry, at least most of the time. And the last how to eat behavior has to do with eating slowly and mindfully and stop eating when you have satisfied your hunger. The last four of these 7 essential behaviors, very few weight loss programs teach. This is part of the reason why they're not effective, especially when it comes to sustainable weight loss. Think about it. 95% of the people who lose weight end up regaining the weight back. I wrote my latest book, Fat No More, to introduce these 7 essential behaviors to a lean and healthy body to the public. By the way, in this book, you will learn a lot more than just these 7 essential behaviors and everything you need to know about them. You will also learn how the modern societies end up so overweight and so unhealthy in the first place. And no, it's not just because we're less active and eat too much processed food. There are a lot more reasons which I reveal in this book. You will learn why some of these 7 essential behaviors are not taught by most weight loss programs. Most importantly, you will learn how to best incorporate the 7 behaviors into your life so they become habitual, so you can finally lose the weight that you want and greatly improve your health, and most importantly, be able to maintain the results effortlessly. Like I said, this is not your typical weight loss book. If you're looking for sustainable and healthy weight loss, I would highly recommend reading my book, Fat No More. Losing weight and getting in shape might not be as hard as you might think, especially if you work with human nature. Here's a simple fact. The way most weight loss and diet programs approach weight loss, it goes against human nature. This is part of the reason why so many people have such a hard time sticking with those programs. Fat No More will give you a completely new way to approach weight loss that works with human nature and will make it very easy to keep the weight off after you lose it. My book is available on Amazon, Barnes & Nobles, and other online stores, and is available in both hard copy and electronic version. I've included the links in the description of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, hit the like button to let me know that you enjoyed it. Comment below if you want me to cover something specific, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below so you never miss a video. Also, I would greatly appreciate it if you share this video with your family and friends to help me spread the truth on how sustainable weight loss and good health can be achieved. Thank you.